How are you doing?
Great. I'm told I'm feeling great. Man, I love being a sheep. Yeah.
So what do you think about it being so hot out today?
Yeah, I'm told this is climate change. But to help out the cause, I don't drive my regular car anymore. Not that I could afford to anyway. It said I took out a loan to go deeper in debt, and therefore I'm more controllable to buy an electric car that elites can actually turn off at any time.
Wow, that's suspect.
No, it's not. No, it's great. It's great. That way, if I want to go somewhere where I'm not supposed to go, I won't be able to go there anymore. And even more awesome than that, if I haven't been a good little boy, then they can actually inhibit my car from going anywhere to help me realize when I've made mistakes.
Where's the rest of your flock?
Dude, I'm in here all by myself.
That must feel very lonely.
Safe. I'm told I feel very safe in here. Man, I love feeling safe. Yeah.
Why are you so safe being all alone?
Dude, didn't you hear? There was a disease going around about 2.5 years ago that mostly infected obese sheep. It decimated herds of sheep with a 99.98% survival rate. Sheep that were dying from other things were even dying from it. And they said to stay isolated if you want to stay safe. And they also said you want to stay safe. So spoiler alert, I want to stay fucking safe.
I don't know if that much social isolation is good for you.
No, it's great. It's great. The rate that I've attempted suicide has gone through the roof, but I'm told that is just part of being a good sheep.
So you gave up all connection with friends and family to avoid catching this disease?
No, I still got it. I almost died from no symptoms.
Oh, but you could have gotten the shot to prevent you from getting it.
No, I got that too. It worked. It prevented me from catching the disease I got. It worked so well. I got 3 more of them.
So do you eat a lot of that grass?
No, I don't eat much at all. I'm hungry because of food shortages.
But you're basically standing in food. Why don't you just eat that grass?
What are you, nuts? There's new science out that shows soil causes heart disease.
So you're avoiding eating your own food so you don't get heart disease?
I already got heart disease.
But you're so young. You look like you're 4 years old. How did you get heart disease?
I'm only 2. I don't know. I just got it all of a sudden. And we're not really concerned with how I got it.
Well, there might be a link between your heart disease.
Dude, have you been watching TV? I fucking love TV. It's all I do.
Watching TV all day, but you have a family to look after?
No, they died.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry to hear that. How did they die?
No, it's great. I was told not to work anymore for the safety of me and my family, and then it's when they went out into the field and laid down because I couldn't stand up anymore. I think the soil must have killed them.
It sounds like you might be responsible for what you weren't providing for your family.
Don't be a flat earther. I was protecting my family the way I was told to.
Do you think it's possible?
I hate America.
Why?
Because of all the things. Man, I hate this country. Yeah.
So you hate this country because of this country?
Exactly. You said it so well. You have a way with words.
I feel like you're not doing too well. You want me to let you out?
Keep that closed. I love it in here.
Just walk to the other side out here. Breathe this how you want.
Dude, I think you're confused. This is freedom. Have you heard Gavin Newsom's latest campaign speeches about freedom?
No.
Oh, of course you haven't, because you don't watch TV. You gotta fix that, man. I feel sorry for you. You are never gonna know what freedom is unless you have a cage all around you.
I don't think I'm really down with TV.
Hey, I gotta go lay down. I'm getting pretty lightheaded.
Why are you so lightheaded?
Because I'm losing a lot of blood.
From what?
I cut my dick off.
Oh my god, why?
I didn't want to be a boy anymore.
Why would you mutilate yourself like that?
I didn't mutilate myself at all, bigot. I reassigned my gender.
You're severely injured.
Not even close. I'm just being my true self. They told me this is freedom. You might want to look into it, bro. It's fucking great.